Friends, this presentation is a continuation of Module 1 of subject Microprocessors, Peripheral and Interfacing. In this presentation, we are going to cover objective, the concept of assembly language and high-level language, the concept of compiler and assembler. The objective of this module is to understand the basic concepts of microcomputer system. After completion of this module, you will be able to differentiate between high-level language and low-level language, assembler and compiler. Assembly language, the low-level language in which the mnemonics are used to write a program is called assembly language. The microcontroller or microprocessor can understand only the binary languages like zeros and ones. Therefore, the assembler converts the assembly language to binary language and store it in the memory to perform the task. The manufacturers of microprocessor gives these mnemonics. The software developed using ones and zeros are called machine language programs. Assembly language is called a low-level programming language because there is a one-to-one relationship between what it tells the computer to do and what the computer does. In general, one line of an assembly program contains a maximum of one instruction for the computer. Assembly languages are tied to one specific computer architecture. They are not portable. A program written in one assembly language would need to be completely rewritten for it to run on another type of machine. There are various advantages and disadvantages of using assembly language. Advantages: it is easier to understand and it saves a lot of time and efforts of the programmer. Easier to correct errors and modify the program instructions. Assembly language has the same efficiency of execution as the machine level language. Disadvantages: assembly language is machine dependent. A program written for one computer might not run in another computers with different hardware configuration. High-level language. High-level languages are programming languages that look like natural language text. They make programming easier and more abstract. That is, the programmer does not need to come up with detailed machine instructions. HLL programs are machine independent. They can run on different hardware platforms. That is, different computers with different instruction sets. Difference between assembly language and high-level language. Assembly language uses alphanumeric symbols known as mnemonics and can have maximum up to 5 letter combinations. Example, add for addition, whereas high-level language look like a natural language text. In assembly language, there is no formal structure, whereas in high-level language, formal structure makes it easy to organize and maintain. In assembly language, executable code is very small, whereas in case of high-level language, it produces too much executable code and may not execute efficiently. Assembly language uses fewer memory space. High-level language uses large memory space. In assembly language, precise control of hardware is possible, but in case of high-level language, not specific control is possible. Now let us understand the concept of compiler, special program that processes statements written in particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that computer's processor uses. The process of converting high-level programming language into machine language is known as compilation. Assembler, computer program that interprets software programs written in assembly language into machine language code and instructions that can be executed by computer. An assembler enables software and application developers to access, operate and manages a computer's hardware architecture and components. Let us understand the difference between compiler and assembler. Compiler converts high-level language into machine code and generates the assembly language code or directly the executable code. Assembler converts assembly language into machine language and generates the reloadable machine code. Input to compiler is preprocessed source code. For assembler, the input is assembly language code. Output. The assembly code generated by compiler is a mnemonics or machine code. The output of assembler is reloadable machine code generated by an assembler, which is represented by binary code. Compiler translates all code at a time, whereas assembler uses processor's instruction set to convert. Let us do this assignment. What are the machine language and assembly language programs? Differentiate between assembler and compiler. Thank you.